How to fix you cannot register this number in Twitter. So let's get started. Now, whenever you're trying to sign up in Twitter or change the number in Twitter, and if you get an error message that says you cannot register with this number, and here is how you can fix it. First of all, make sure that the number you are entering or providing to sign up is currently active. If the number is inactive for a long period of time, then the number might have been blocked. So you have to make sure that the number that you are using currently is active. And the second case is that if your number is already associated with the another Twitter account, or if you have used that number to create another account, then you might not be able to create a new account with that number. So you have to make sure the number that you are currently providing is not associated with any other Twitter account. Now the third case, if your SIM card is still active and your account is suspended or blocked and you are not able to change the number, what you have to do is simply remove the number from your old account and then use the same number to create a new account. After you remove the number from your old account and create a new account with it, you might be able to change the number or create a new account with that. So by following all these steps in Twitter, you might be able to fix the problem that says you cannot register with this number. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.